Good afternoon, people of YouTube. Bear with me when I just do a bit of sweeping up here. Lovely. So, what has a silly person been doing? Banging me head against a brick wall, basically. With this thing. So I've now made it unrideable by making the rear end rock hard. I made it even more unrideable by extending the frame, which I've got to cut back, but I can't because I need the wheels in order to gap the wheel to the cylinder head there, he says, waving where you're not looking at the camera. Right, now you're waving, yeah, okay. So all that lot there is just head scratching, and talking of heads, we got the light facing in the shop, so I've actually dropped the handlebars 6 inches over the forks, because normally this would be up here, and now it's down there. So I've knocked up this bit of steel to try and make it look tidy. We got an extra couple of inches on the front of the fork here. Yeah, what else have we been up to? Oh yeah, stay there. Forward mounted foot pegs. Good God, that took some faffing around. So basically I've made this concoction here, strung it all on the bike, and it is actually bolt on at the bottom, so the bottom plate comes off, but I didn't like that. I, being an idiot, thought I'll weld it in and then just lift the frame off the bike, so I welded it all in there, and then I found out I couldn't lift the frame off the bike because it's sitting this cross brace here up on my bloody rocker cover. So that all went poo up, and I had to cut it all off. So I did literally cut it all off and start again. So now we're on forward facing foot pegs 2.0, and to be honest, it all looks like a complete pile of cack, but I haven't got any money anymore to do anything else, so this is it, my life, axing around crap until I can't axe it around anymore. There you go, there's my update of what I've been getting up to. But to be honest, I'm completely naffed off with all of it, so I'm going to go out tomorrow and try and get stuck in some mud somewhere. Trio now!